Hi all, I'm Daniele Moscone, a prehistoric archaeologist specialized in chip and stone tools technology. My main field of interest are siliceous raw materials exploitation, techniques of blade production, and networks of diffusion of ideas, technique, goods, and people during the Metal Ages. In 2020, I got my PhD degree at Sapienza University of Rome in Italy by discussing a thesis project focused on the study of socioeconomic dynamics beyond raw material procurement for the production and distribution of large chert blades from the late Chalcolithic to the early Bronze Age period in the northern Iraq. This work allowed me to start working on the evolution of the lithic technology during a critical period, which is the one related to the transformation of the Near Eastern societies from village communities to urban agglomerates. As ANAMED postdoctoral research fellow, I will investigate the procurement and exploitation of chert raw materials here in Arslan-Tepe, Malatya, through a project entitled Prehistoric Chert Exploitation, Technology and Distribution Systems in the Northern Euphrates Basin during the 4th to 3rd millennia BC, the case of Arslan-Tepe, Malatya Plain, Eastern Anatolia. As the project title suggests, Arslan-Tepe, recently become UNESCO World Heritage, is a key site for tracing the evolution of complex societies within the Anatolia and the whole Middle East. Its longest excavated sequence and the excellent preservation of structures and artifacts make this project a promising study of regional and extra-regional significance because of the issues to be addressed and the proposed methodology. Indeed, the project is structured around three main questions. How were organized the system of lithic production at the site during the 3rd to the early 3rd millennia BC? Which categories of lithic objects were produced within the local and extra-regional sphere of available nappable resources? And last, how the socioeconomic strategies beyond the stone napping evolved over the long period and what they can tell us in the light of the broader site's history. To answer these questions, the lithic assemblage from the Arslan-Tepe sequence will be analyzed by combining the technological approach, which is the study of production techniques, methods following the traces left on the object surface by chipping, and a non-destructive and multi-parametric protocol for chart investigation, able to record raw material features on three levels: macroscopic, petrographic, and chemical. This three-step procedure is very important to build a solid reference collection. Indeed, the archaeological data will be compared to geological chart samples collected in outcrops within the Malatya region. The samples will be studied using the same protocol and will provide a solid base to identify the possible sources of the artifacts. A significant selections of artifacts coming from the different phases of site's occupation and geological samples will be studied and analyzed at the university using the laboratory facilities to produce high-resolution data to be processed during the fellowship period. The objects' biographies from the raw material characteristics until their transformation in tools will be traced and compared to the reference collection. Among the main goals of the project will be also the publication of the entire dataset, providing the scientific communities and researchers who are interested in chart raw materials procurement and exploitation a valid tool for comparison. So if you want to learn more about the project, follow the next updates and see you soon in Istanbul. Thanks for the attention. Bye.